Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Stella Fashion. How are you friends? I hope you are so well. The video I have brought for you today that is about very beautiful and very lovely nature scenes DP's collection I have bought for you. You can choose a very pretty and lovely girls DP's collection profile pictures and cover photos. You can choose from this video. Get the ideas about your choice. Friends, I suggest you can watch video till end and choose the very pretty and lovely open hair DP's collection. You can take the screenshot and set these pictures as your WhatsApp DPs, your Facebook profile pictures and Instagram cover photos. If you like these ideas, then you appreciate me on my efforts by subscribing my channel, by liking my video and sharing my video with friends and your family members. Friends, tell me in comment section if you like these ideas. I am waiting your comments. Your comments is very important for me. Now friends, we meet in next video with different idea and different video. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Until then, take care. Goodbye.